Yeah. What else did you do at the park?
The ball.
The ball, yeah. Play with the ball. And do you do those swings?
Daddy.
Yeah, Daddy wasn't there. Faith's daddy was there.
Mommy.
And Mommy was there, yeah. Who else was there?
Me.
Faith, yeah. Who else?
Me.
Wee Wee, yeah. Carrie, yeah.
Daddy.
And Andy, yeah. Was it fun?
Oh.
Yeah. Did you run with them?
Yeah.
Yeah. And we hang from a bar?
Yeah.
Yeah. And we're on the swing?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're funny. Are you gonna give me a funny look? Can you give me a funny look? That's a pretty good one. Do you want to keep eating your hummus? Did I interrupt your hummus?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you say hummus?
I miss.
Very good, Rachel. Hummus.
I miss.
Yeah, it's yummy.
It's April 16th.
I miss.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye, Rachel.
No.